By any chance, do you want to start a small business, or do you want to import products and goods from China or any other country using commercial apps or online shopping apps? If your answer is yes, then you click on the right video, sis, or my brother in the room. Okay, so this video, what you're going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step tutorial of how I order products from 1688. So please do stay tuned. Hello, my name is Kolo and welcome to my corner. So this is the step-by-step tutorial that you need. Okay, so what do you need when you want to order online? You may need obviously you're going to need the app. Okay, 1688 is an app, is a Chinese app, and it's a hybrid app. So this app, it's not it's written in Chinese, like there's no translation. You can only use the translated version of it if you're using it from Google Chrome browser, but you cannot download like a translated version of it. How you download it as an app, as an application, you're going to download it in Chinese. So each and every time you might need Google Translator to help you translate, or you might need WeChat, because if you have WeChat, it means that you take your contacts, the contact that you get from the 1688 app, and then you go and communicate go WeChat. And WeChat makes it easier because automatically you can be able to translate whatever that is being said. If your supplier writes something in Chinese, then you can be able to translate it to English. And if you write something in English, the supplier may be able to translate it into Chinese. Like that, you don't need to go through from the app to Google Translator, hello, unless your supplier is not on WeChat, which I doubt, because most people in Chinese use WeChat like WhatsApp. So it's an app that you'll find most suppliers use in the app. So it's a must that you should have that app, because they prefer using the app, and replies are quicker when you're using WeChat. They reply quicker when you're using WeChat. Okay, so now get into the step-by-step tutorial. I'm putting on my glasses because screen protection, what eh. So whenever you're using this app, I get it. First thing, you have something to order. So in my case, let's say I'm going to be ordering a dress, right? I'll put it on the screen. I'm going to be ordering a dress, and then I need to find the size, and I need to find the color, right? Okay, so the good thing about 1688 is that you can always this is okay. So this is how it is done. You open the app, and then once the app is open, on the top far right there is a symbol or a sign of a camera, and then you click on it. Once you click on it, you have you have an option or an alternative to like take a picture there of something that you want, or uploading a picture that you already have. Now I wanted to look up something that I already had a picture of. So you look through your gallery, and then you choose the picture that we have of something that which you want to order. In my case, the dress that I want to order, and then I look it up. As of now, the system is still searching and filtering my results, so we have to wait for it. And then there you have it. Gives you the options or alternatives of the thing that you have searched. Now this is the dress that I wanted, and it's giving me different suppliers at different prices. So it's easy as that. You take the pic of what you want. Maybe something that you got from Pinterest. So you take the pic and then you upload it, and then it searches from the suppliers, this is what you have. Now, and then you see different options or alternatives that you have from different suppliers with different prices. So what you do is that you check whether it's verified or not. So how do you check if it's verified? Now, personally, what I do is that I look at on every supplier, the picture that you have, ne? There is like that signs and symbols there. Symbol a writing that maybe written 1688, and then an award, and then I don't know what it is. So I look at suppliers that have any of those symbols, and then I prioritize on suppliers that have those symbols, because it's either the supplier has been in that app for so long, or it's either they're verified some way, or because of the reviews that they have got. So maybe that's why they have all those symbols on them, because there's really no how as a supplier you can do it yourself. The way this app is built up, it's such that they protect the customers. Correct. There's no way you can do it yourself, so it's so hard to be scammed on 1688. So the only thing that you can get is a low quality product, but to be scammed, no, there's no way. So what you have to be aware of is poor quality or low quality products. Yeah, so after you choose the supplier that you want, you click on the picture under the supplier that you want, and then after you click on the picture, you swipe. Like, you can have a variety of pictures supplied, the size, the color, the type, and then you swipe to see, and then we'll choose what you want. And then after that, there's a button which I will show, a button that shows that you can either add your product to cart, or you may buy it right there. So the option is go add to cart and buying, like that. The same, when you get there, they show you, there's going to be a pop-up. The options are going to show you the product, and then they're going to show you the prices, how much does each product cost with the product code. So when you get there, you look at the product, you choose the product that you want, and then you go to choose the quantity. You may choose 1, 2, 3 again. And then the good thing is that it also allows you to choose different quantities for different colors and different sizes. You can choose color blue for the dress, or color red, and then choose 2 for color blue, 1 red, yellow, any color, and different sizes too. So it's so simple. Those. That's why the app is like, it's a must-have. Okay, so now the other thing is, when we're done we're done here. That's all you have to know about the buying part. When you are done, now you have to make your payment. So the sad thing is that 1688 does not allow, or it doesn't allow the use of the FNB thingy. Like, the FNB credit card cannot be used as a payment method. So you have to have the Alipay app. You have to use the Alipay app, which is installed, and you have to verify it like any other application that you have. Feel me? So this is why you need to buy my guidelines, because in those guidelines we have a whole package as to installation of the app, installation of every other app or every other supporting app that you need to use the 1688 app, because it's not easy to install those. So you can hit me up to buy the guidelines from me, or set it up. Just setting it up because the guideline is not a book. It's just me setting up the apps for you, the application for you, setting them up for you, and then maybe giving you my trusted suppliers for something that you may need. 350 for the whole package. So after you have done that, you may say that you have signed into your Alipay account. You use the Alipay account and you pay through the Alipay account. That's simple, because the two they're automatically and belts and linked. So after you choose what you want and how much, which color, it's going to lead you to the Alipay. When you pay, it's going to lead you to Alipay, because that's the only method that you can use to pay on 1688, and then you pay. Simple. And then the other thing is the shipping address. You have to ensure that you have you have written the shipping address where they should ship to. So like I said, it's a hybrid Chinese application, which means Botswana. So what you do is, if you have a shipping company that is based in China, you write the warehouse shipping address. You ask your shipper or your freight person to give you the address of their shipping, of their warehouse, and then you write the shipping address under the shipping address, the application. So instead of writing your shipping address of your location of where you are in Botswana, because the application, it does not support shipping to Botswana, there is no option Botswana. So you have to write the address of your shipping company or your freight person, the warehouse, where that warehouse is located. You tell your supplier, or you just automatically write it down, and then when the whole process of buying is done, they send the goods to your shipping company warehouse, and then the warehouse will communicate with you, and then you'll receive your package within 2 weeks. And that's all that you need to know about the whole process of buying through 1688 app. So please be sure to do share and do buy the guidelines from me. Yes. So that's it that you need to know about this whole app. Until we meet again next time.